Are you considering HostPapa for your web hosting needs? Well, here are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. From features to pricing, we'll compare it to other top hosting providers, so you can make an informed choice. First thing to note is HostPapa's pricing. It's competitive, especially for beginners or small businesses, with plans that start at an affordable rate. However, it's important to keep in mind that their renewal rates can jump significantly, which is something you'll want to plan for. Compared to providers like Bluehost or SiteGround, HostPapa's introductory rates are on par, but their renewals can be a bit steeper. Next thing is their customer support. HostPapa offers 24/7 support via phone, email, and live chat. This is a major selling point, especially when you compare it to other hosting companies that may have limited hours or slower response times. If support is a key factor for you, HostPapa holds up well in this area. The third thing is their website builder. HostPapa offers a free website builder with most of their plans, making it an attractive option for users without technical skills. However, if you need more advanced customization, you might find it a bit limiting compared to website builders offered by Wix or Squarespace. The fourth thing is the performance and uptime. HostPapa boasts a solid 99.9% uptime guarantee. While this is good, it's not necessarily better than the industry standard. Competitors like SiteGround have an edge when it comes to performance, thanks to their faster servers and more advanced caching. Next, let's talk about the storage and bandwidth. HostPapa's basic plan gives you 100 GB of storage, which is more than enough for most small businesses or personal websites. But if you're planning to scale, you might need to consider an upgrade. Companies like A2 Hosting offer more generous storage with faster speeds if scalability is a concern. The sixth thing is their security features. HostPapa includes a free SSL certificate, which is crucial for keeping your website secure. However, some competitors, like InMotion Hosting, go further by offering enhanced security features even on their basic plans, such as malware protection and backups. The seventh thing to consider is their control panel. HostPapa uses cPanel, which is user-friendly and familiar to many experienced webmasters. While cPanel is the industry standard, some hosting companies like Bluehost offer additional tools to simplify website management, which might be useful if you're new to the game. Next, the e-commerce options. HostPapa offers great e-commerce integrations, especially with their premium plans. You can easily set up online stores with WooCommerce. But if you're looking for more robust e-commerce features, like advanced inventory management, Shopify, or BigCommerce, might be better alternatives. The ninth thing is their server locations. HostPapa operates servers in North America and Europe, which is fine for most users. However, if your audience is global, other providers like HostGator or SiteGround with a wider range of server locations might provide better speed and performance. The 10th thing is the free migration service. HostPapa offers a free website migration service, which is a great bonus, but this only applies to certain plans. Other companies like SiteGround make migration easy on all plans, which can be a deciding factor if you're switching hosts. 11th is their refund policy. HostPapa offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is in line with most competitors. This gives you some peace of mind, knowing you can back out if the service doesn't meet your expectations. Just be aware that there are some restrictions depending on the plan. Lastly, HostPapa offers great value overall for those just starting out or running small businesses. While it's not the absolute best in every category, it's definitely a solid choice for budget-conscious users. However, if you want something with faster speeds, more advanced features, or better scalability, we recommend checking out a solution that you can try for free to see if it fits your needs better.